Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify checkout customizations after app removal step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. Locate the app that you previously used for checkout customizations. Ensure the app is removed by clicking on Manage Private Apps if necessary. Next, go to the online store section in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. Select Actions next to your active theme, then choose Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the config folder. Open the settings_data.json file to review your theme settings. Search for any sections related to checkout customizations. Copy any relevant code snippets or configurations you may want to restore. If you have a backup of your theme, now is a good time to restore it. Go to that Actions drop-down and select Upload a theme if using a backup. Once uploaded, click on Edit Code for the uploaded theme. Review the config folder in your backup for the previous checkout settings. Integrate any customizations from your backup into your current theme's code. Test any changes you make in the theme editor's preview mode. Ensure all checkout customizations appear as expected. Finally, save your changes and preview the checkout process to confirm functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.